Mamshis! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my March favorites.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape.
Since this is a mommy channel, we're going to share different baby products na favorite ko this month and also different mommy products na favorite ko this month. So let's start off with the different baby products na aking favorite this month. If you have seen my video na 15 months update, you would know na biggest struggle ko is reverse tooth decay. So right now, favorite ko to kasi we tried using this. It's a baby gum and tooth wipes. Kasi sometimes I feel like if I just brush his teeth, hindi talaga nakuha yung mga dumi compared to when I'm using these tooth wipes. This is recommended to me by my friend Christy. Thank you so much for recommending this. This is available sa Watsons. Ito yung itsura niya. Naka-box siya. So, ang ginagawa ko, hinahati ko siya sa gitna para hindi masayang. And then, gumagamit din ako ng gauze para ma-protect yung kamay ko kasi River likes to bite me. And para magkaroon din siya ng konting texture yung wipes para chance siya makuha yung mga dumi na nakatikit sa ngipin ni River. And speaking of kagat, pangangagat, nagtititing si River. So, eto talaga, mauubos na namin siya. It's called Xylogel. It's my favorite. Every time na nagtititing si River, nakaka-help siya na gumaling kung ano man yung namamaga sa ngipin niya at nasusooth din siya. Malamig siya. Maganda to gamitin, especially if nasa ref at malamig siya. Gustong-gusto ni River. Nasusooth talaga yung pagtititing niya. Lalo na ngayon, nagtititing si River, yung bagang niya, 4 sabay-sabay. Oh my God. So, eto, gamit na gamit niya everyday. And the next thing for his teeth na I really like is ito. Binigay to, recommend to ng dentist niya. It's called the GC Tooth Mousse for his brittle teeth. Ngayon kasi yung teeth ni River sa harap, yung isa may butas na, may malaking butas sa gitna, and meron na siyang mga caries, mga white spots in the front. Kasi nga, brittle na siya. So, ito lang daw ang pwedeng sumagip sa ngipin niya. So, we have to put this on his teeth every after brushing. We have to dry his teeth and then we have to apply this. At least for 30 minutes na nothing per mouth siya. At para mapatigas niya yung ngipin ni River. This is safe to swallow din. So, okay lang sa age ni River. Ito rin pala, Xylogel is safe to swallow. Sa mga toys naman, marami ng toys si River, pero ngayon, natuwan-tuwa ako dito. This is a writing toy. I think it's a writing toy. Alam niyo naman itong lahat. Syempre, marami kayong mabibili itong mura lang. Pero this one, nakuha namin sa Baby Company. Gusto ko yung meron siyang pen and yun nga, tinapan ko na siya, syempre, kasi nasira na ni River. Yun yung nagagamit niya magsulat, ganyan. Mahilig siya magsulat-sulat, ganyan. Scribble. And then, mabilis lang siya nawawala. Sa River kasi, when he scribbles everywhere, pati sa floor and everything. So, okay to kasi wala siyang sulat, di ba? So, dito lang siya nag-work. So, ayan, para kay River yan. Meron pa tong ibang toys dito parang stamp na different shapes, which is nilaro na ni River, kaya nawala na. So yeah, this is one of my favorite toys for him. I want to share with you, nabili namin tong Mega Bloks. This is from, sa Chico ata namin nabili. 50% off sila. I think nasa iba't ibang stores naman sila. Legos siya, pero mas malalaking klase. So, I want this for River kasi mahilig nga siya yung nagsasaksak-saksak. So, na-realize ko, baka gusto niya ng Legos kasi sinasaksak mo rin yung Legos sa isa't isa, di ba? Pero, parang hindi niya pa ata gets. Yun yung purpose lang. Pero, ayun, ngayon, natutuwa lang ako na nilalaro niya. Ang nangyayari, ayan. So, malalaki siyang blocks. Ganyan. So, ako yung taga-saksak, tapos siya yung taga-tanggal. And tuwang-tuwa siya dito. He would always pick this bag and give it to me para buksan ko. Gustong-gusto niya na nilalabas yung laman nito at ikakalat sa floor. Yun yung kanyang favorite activity. So, lately. So, ayun. And then, gusto ko rin na may lalagyan siya Nilalagyan na siya para after that, clean up na lang kami. Kakanta lang kami ng clean up. And then he will put the toys inside. Nakakatuwa. So, ayun. Follow me on Instagram pala, ma'am. There's my handle at MommyRuthPH. Minsan, I would do the story na kung ano-anong nakakatuwang bagay na pinagagawa namin ni River in a day. So, yeah. Isa doon yung mga clean up songs namin. So, catch us there on Instagram. Ito is a gift from River's Ninang. It's a meal set. Favorite ko siya. This is a bamboo fiber daw or bamboo fiber na ewan ko, basta galing sa bamboo itong set na to. So, it's organic. It's not plastic. And, tuwang-tuwa ako kasi yan yung nagiging first meal set ni River. Nilalagyan ko siya dito ng food. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung kanyang spoon. At mag-i-spoon-spoon siya sa sarili niya. Kahit na minsan makalat and everything. Hinahayaan ko lang para matuto talaga siya. So, ayun. May fork din to. Hindi lang nasama. So, this one, pag meron siyang mga soup and mga minash namin na food, dito siya. And ngayon, marunong na siya marunong siya uminom nito. Watch my stories, guys. Nakakatuwa yung stories ko sa kanya. Uminom siya using this. Kunwari, marunong siya, pero actually, lumalampas na yung mga milk sa kabila. So, I'm training him to drink from the cup now. Kasi he's 1 year old na. Kaya naman niya na. I bought my first high-end makeup. First in a long time. So, I bought the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup SPF 10 PA++. 2WT in the shade Rattan. Kasi I have a lot of events coming up. Nung nag-workshop ako also, I needed to have long-staying makeup in my face. And this is what I'm using right now as well. Yeah, maganda siya. Very light lang siya and full coverage. And then, long stay pa siya, sweat-proof. So, kitang-kita ko talaga yung makeup, dikit na dikit sa skin ko. So, this is good for the summer, good for events, kung ma-attend kayo ng events, kung mayroon kayong pupuntang kasal and everything. This is a really nice makeup na for me, I love it. Kasi before this, I was just using BB creams, I was just using sunscreen, and ano pa ba? Drugstore makeup, which is Maybelline. She's really nice, pero napapansin ko hindi siya nagtatagal. Yung area dito sa nose ko, nawawala na agad ng makeup. Yun yung laging oily. Ito talaga, after a few hours, wala na. Pero sa kanya napansin ko, mas matanggal yung aking nose area. So, ayun. Kasi super long staying siya. And, isa naman sa drugstore, ito, I think nabanggit ko na to before. Pero since it's my first favorites video, I just want to include it. This is the BLK Lip and Cheek Tint in Cherry. Okay? Cherry with the C. Kasi iba yung cherry with an S. Mali yung nabili ko last time. So, I love this for everyday. Ito talaga yung only lip tint na napansin kong magi-stay sa upper lips ko rin. Very pigmented enough siya na yung upper lips ko na kokoloran niya. Yung iba kasi, walang pigment sa upper lips ko. Sa down lang, sa baba lang. So, para naman akong tanga nun, di ba? May lip tint ako sa baba, tapos sa taas wala. Pero ito, it can cover both. And maganda yung shape niya. Bagay siya sa skin tone ko for the cheeks. Kasi, talagang parang, nag-blush lang ako. I love it. So, for the makeup, yun yung aking favorites for this month. For health and skincare as well, beauty reasons, I love this Sodium Ascorbate by Vitagreen C. This is latest discovery for me and Dada. This is vitamin C, pero it is non-acidic. So, it's alkaline. It's best for us to keep our bodies in an alkaline state. If you see my Instagram post, I posted about them. Kami kasi ni Dada, we do intermittent fasting. So that means we have a window time of eating. We eat 8 hours a day and then we fast for the 16 hours. So pag gabi, start na yung fasting, matutulog na, diba? So, starting 6 o'clock ng gabi hanggang umaga, hindi kami kakain. So, that's 12 hours. And then, for the next 4 hours pa nun, so, hanggang 10, hindi kami kakain hanggang 10, para yung body namin, instead na mag-rely siya sa glucose or sa sugar, kukunin niya yung mga excess fats ng body namin. Doon yung gagamitin namin for energy. And also, it's good, it's anti-cancer. Kasi yung mga old cells mo, yun yung uunahin kainin ng body mo pag wala ng sugar sa blood. So, yun, mag-autophagy ka. It keeps you younger, it keeps you healthier. And it helps us maintain our weight. Kasi kami ni Dada, we want to stay long, live a healthy long life for River, for our future kids. So, that's why we do intermittent fasting, and it helps na this vitamins is non-acidic. So, that means we can take it in the morning na hindi kakalam yung tiyan namin. So, yun. Kaya, we love this one. And it's the cheapest for us. Yung nahanap namin, it's the cheapest ascorbate, sodium ascorbate na nahanap namin in the market. Ang mahal kasi ng ibang brands eh. Pero ito, it's good kasi it's about 650 per capsule. And it's easy for us to maintain it. Kasi naman, double the price yung iba eh. I think you also saw this na on my other videos. Favorite ko rin tong Charlie Baby Backpack. Gamit namin siya every time na lalabas kami. Wala na akong ibang diaper bag na ginagamit. And dito ko na rin nilalagay yung mga gamit ko. I will put it in a pouch, yung phone and wallet ko. Sa isang pouch lang and keys para ilalagay ko rin sa loob. Kasi very roomy siya sa loob. Ayan. As you can see, ang daming pwedeng ilagay. Water niya, damit niya, diaper niya, lampin, nursing cover. Ayun. So, napakadaming pwedeng ilagay. Tapos marami siyang pockets. May pocket siya dito, sa gitna. Meron din dito sa gilid. Marami din siyang pocket sa gilid. And then, dito sa likod, usually yung lampin para easy access. And then, dito sa gilid, yung mga alcohol niya. Yan. Easy access. And dito sa harap, usually yung snacks niya. Ayan, may Skyflex kami dyan. Hindi pa ito naayos. And usually, dito ko nilalagay yung susi. Para hindi talaga mawawala. So, dyan. And then, I like na very sleek yung design niya. Ayan, pwede siyang backpack. Pwede siyang parang shoulder bag. Pero I usually use this as a backpack. Especially if wala kaming yaya. Mga no yaya days. Pag day off si yaya. Ayun. This is what I use. Hawak ko si River and naka-backpack na kami. The only thing I don't like about this Charlie Baby PH, hopefully you will find this video if makikinig kayo. Sana maayos niyo yung problema dito sa lock niya sa baba. Laging nasisira. Ito yung laging nasisira sa lahat ng mga may-ari ng Charlie Baby PH. Ayun. So, kaya, ang ginawa ko, gumamit na lang ako nito. So, yun. Kung pwede niyong palitan, ganun na lang. Palitan niyo na lang Charlie Baby PH yung side dito ng mas matibay na lock. Kasi, usually, puno to, mabigat. Kaya, laging nasisira yung side na to. So, itong side na to, okay naman. Pero, yun nga, madali siyang masira, yung strap. Ayun. Okay, ano siya, very sleek yung design. Kaya gusto ko. Simple lang, sleek. At hindi marumihin. Pwedeng mabasa. Alam mo yun. Very millennial ang dating. So, I love it. Next item that I want to share on my monthly favorites is the Messy Bessie Disinfectant Aroma Spray. So, ang bango niya. Ang bango niya talaga. Para siyang peppermint. Parang fresh. Parang alam mo yung Vicks. Parang may pagka-Vicks, pero hindi naman super Vicks. Soothing, eucalyptus, ganon. So, pwede to, ginagamit to sa kanyang mga toys ni River. Ito yung pang ano namin, pang disinfect. Make sure that you like this video if you did, and subscribe to this channel for more good vibes. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!